Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you mute noisy conversations in Gmail. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. All right, so here in my Gmail, let's say for example, I have this conversation with my contact. Say for example, this one. Now, if I don't want to hear any more messages or notification from this particular user, what I can do is let's go back to inbox, right click on the user's name and click on mute. Now, that is going to mute that particular conversation. Now, if you changed your mind and you realize that you shouldn't mute that conversation and just go on with the conversation, what you can do is you can go to search in here and type in label mute. Now here you can see your muted conversation, and all you have to do is right click on it and click on unmute. Now this conversation will be back in your inbox. Now I hope that is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.